Diana. I'm so pleased to meet you and take part in the content. I'm 11 years old in Korea. I'm in the first grade. I go to second elementary school. It takes 10 minutes to walk to school. It's joyful to eat rice for lunch at school. It's nice to eat kimchi with rice because it tastes so good. My best friend is Chegoya. I always laugh when I'm with her. We like to talk. I want to frown and eat macarons till I cannot eat anymore, and take lots of pictures with Chegoya. But when my friend says bad word to me, I'm the maddest. My family has 3 people, father, mother, and I live in Yongin. My neighborhood very kind for everyone. I want to live Gangnam also. My father likes Sundays because he can sleep all day. I started learning GrapeSEED in 2013. My favorite unit is 23 because there are funny songs in here. I want to be a game creator because it's fun to upload games. When I become a creator, I have lots of chances to visit another country, and they use English to talk to me. So English is very important to me. Once my father told me a story about him when he was a little boy. When he was young, he was good at sports. I felt amazing and happy. And if I could change a story, I'd change sports into when I'm good at. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope I will see you again. Bye bye. 아, 했다.